Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to connect your smartphone to your Toyota Prius using the Bluetooth. First you'll have to go to Setup, right here in the menu. Here you have a couple of options. You can either press Bluetooth right away, or you can go to Phone. It will say Connect Phone, but it actually brings you back to this Bluetooth menu. From here you will see the Add button. Press this button. This will provide you all this information, and at this point we have to go to our phone and we'll have to go to phone settings. It will vary slightly from phone to phone, but what you have to do is look for the Bluetooth settings. In this case it's in the connected devices. Press Bluetooth, and among the available devices you will see Toyota Prius. You'll have to press Toyota Prius and it will start pairing. So it will show you this pass key. Make sure that it's the same as on the screen and simply press pair. It says pairing was successful, so now it's going to connect with your smartphone, and now it's done. It will ask you if you want to allow access to the messages. It's up to you. If you use a vehicle all the time, I would say allow. And right now our phone G8 thing is connected. Now when you go to the audio options, you can go to the source and you will see this Bluetooth audio available. Just press this button, and as you can see right now we have music playing from our phone. Besides that, we can go to this menu, phone button, and from here you can dial the phone number. Using the Bluetooth you can look at your contacts and choose the one that you need. You have the call history, etc. I'll go back to audio right now option. One more thing I want to add is that when you listen to the music using the Bluetooth, in case if you don't hear the sound, you have to go to select device, and you need to make sure that this button is pressed, that it's blue. This will allow you to play music using the Bluetooth. In case if it doesn't work right away, this is what you have to do. Go here and press this button as well. In case if you want to remove your phone from the Bluetooth devices, you have to go to Setup, go to Bluetooth, and you will see this remove button. Press on that and it will ask you which one you want to remove. Press on the G8 thing in this case, press yes, and now this device is gone. That's pretty much it for the Bluetooth connection in your Toyota Prius. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.